Hey everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy side dish, or you can use it as a main dish. I was craving this. I'm going to show you guys how I make my fried cabbage. This is everything I put inside. Let's get started. So for this recipe, you'll need a head of cabbage, half of a red bell pepper, a little sliver of white onion, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Then we have thick cut bacon. You can use about 3 slices for this recipe. So let's get started by chopping up our cabbage. So we're going to use about half the head of cabbage. Break it open like so. Now we are going to remove the core. Be careful while doing this, you don't want to cut yourself. So we're just going to slice our cabbage down into sections and then slice it down again. So after you cut your cabbage, go ahead and rinse it and place it in your bowl. Now we're going to chop up the rest of the veggies that we're going to place inside of our cabbage. So now we're just going to dice our bell pepper. We're also going to chop our onion. We're going to take 3 slices of bacon and slice this down as well. Now we're going to start cooking our cabbage. We're going to start off by heating our pan to about a medium-high heat, and we are going to render down our bacon fat. We're just going to let this cook until all the fat is rendered from the bacon. And the reason why I say this can be like your main dish, you can serve this with white rice, brown rice, and it's really delicious. You can even make it vegan, just don't use the bacon. And this is also great for like if you're meal prepping, just to have some good cabbage and brown rice together for the week. That's really good. You guys let me know down in the comments below, what are some of you guys' favorite side dishes that you use as a main course? What are some of the recipes you guys would like to see me do on this channel? You want to make sure that your bacon is crispy. Now that we've rendered the fat from our bacon, we are going to remove the bacon and just keep that off to the side. In our bacon fat, we have a teaspoon of minced garlic and about a half a sliver of white onion. We're just going to fry that up. And half of a red bell pepper. We're just going to saute this in the bacon fat for about 1 to 2 minutes. We don't want our garlic to burn. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Now we are going to add half a head of cabbage. We chopped and washed this. Now to this, we are going to add a teaspoon of garlic salt, a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Remember, once the cabbage is cooked, adjust the seasonings to your liking. So I'm just going to toss this. And we just want this to cook together for about 3 to 5 minutes. To do this vegan style, instead of using the bacon, go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with everything else. Don't forget to clean as you go. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. I am going to add our bacon back in. Taste and adjust your seasoning. I am going to add half a cupful of vinegar and half a teaspoon of Maggi seasoning. So we're just going to let this cook for another 2.5 minutes. And there you have it, some easy fried cabbage with bacon. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.